drifting and driving you are about to see was performed by a trained driver on a private closed circuit. Proper safety precautions including helmets are in place. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Always drive responsibly and never attempt this on a public road. Alright, so I guess we're doing this again. We are up, we are moving, and we are off to the track. I don't remember how. Okay, so using a gimbal now, so trying to make sure I do all this right. But we're up, we're moving, cars are loaded up. Basically, we got cars loaded up to be able to drift all day, hopefully. Filling up fuel now, and should be good to go. I got the car raised up last night. Cameron did oil change and stuff. Got an oil change on my car as well. And we're gonna hit the road for a 2-hour drive down to Spirit Peaks, and hopefully all goes well. Also, I got Bug in the car with me. So they're probably gonna be doing some videography work today because I suck at aiming this at myself and I do not like doing selfie stuff.
My skin, look around me, it's a curse. Think I'm losing all my friends. And overnight success, what they'll call it in the end. I got this hunger inside of me, violently scratching and clawing. The scars multiplying, I need something more in this life. It ain't finding me, fuck it, I'm done being silent. You see, I need purpose, a reason to think that it's all fucking worth it. A reason to wake up and live in this circus. A reason to fight all my visceral urges. Growing up, never felt like I fit in. I still don't, but it's better when I...
Alright, so we're about 20 minutes outside of Spirit Peaks. Been driving for about an hour and 10, 15 minutes. Fiberglass bucket seats, not great on long road trips. It used to have a pad that it would throw in the seat, but that has since been lost or sold. So we'll see if I can even walk by the time we can get to Spirit Peaks. But as for right now, car is doing great. AFRs are doing great. The voltage, the alternator, everything's doing great. So alignment, I eyeballed it last night, and I think I got it pretty well dead nuts. We might need a small adjustment on the driver's side, as it is pulling to the left slightly, but we'll take care of that before we leave for the day. So, got Bug with me. We're chilling. This is some music. We'll get back to it. Talk to you guys when we get to the track. Alright, so we made it through tech, and car did great coming out here. Actually quite surprised. I think it's the longest I've driven this car on the road for probably about 3 years. But Cameron passed tech, I passed tech. We're gonna go take some practice runs out on the skid pad with Cameron and make sure he knows how to transition the car properly and doesn't keep spinning out.
Feel it in my skin, look around me, it's a curse. Just think I'm losing all my friends. And overnight success, what they'll call it in the end. I got this anger inside of my veins, pumping adrenaline when I feel pain. I don't know why I was born with this, I feel so torn as shit, I can't ignore it, yeah. I wanna punch till my knuckles are bleeding. I want your best, so when I win, you're defeated. Go ahead, think that my kindness is weakness. I'll use that naiveness. I got a disease and it's choking and squeezing me. I cannot sleep till I get what I'm seeking. Need every dream in my mind be completed. I live for competing. It gives me a reason to live, a reason to get up again and again, a reason to wake up at 5 a.m. I need it to keep me from sinking. I swim if I didn't, I fear I would become an inch. I don't ever limit. If I want it, then I'll get it. Never quit it. I'ma win it in every single minute, hitting every single inning, get it once again and again. And I'm living for the moment. If I want it, then I'll own it. Like I feel it in my stomach, man. I really fucking want it, man. I do it 'cause I love it. I will always give 100. Never quit until I'm first place. Never been so thirsty. Living life without a purpose, that would be the worst. Yeah, make nobody see the work that I'm putting in. Something deep inside a thirst. I can feel it in my skin. Look around me, it's a curse. Just think I'm losing all my friends. And overnight success, what they'll call it in the end.
All right, so finally did it. Finally had an oopsie, and of course it's on the entrance of the track. Popped the tire, and kind of had to drive the entire track on no tire. So this is why I don't buy expensive wheels. because those are, I'll grind them and make them clean again. But that's definitely damage. Thank you. So the drift day is done. Removed a little bit of timing from the car to see if we can decrease the ECT engine coolant temp, and it worked. We were able to do 2 laps instead of 1 lap before overheating, and yeah, it's a good day. I'm gonna continue to street tune, lower the timing a little bit more. I basically want to make my high RPM timing 15 degrees instead of 20 degrees, and hopefully that cools everything down. But for now, day's done. I blew up a tire, Cameron blew up a tire. So, Cameron's tire is all fucked up too. Proud of him for that. Was it a good day, Cameron?
Yes.
Good. You are sweating so much.
Feel my transmission.
Cameron, turn around.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Go feel my center console.
And they tell me to get a 350Z. I'm not sweating, I'm good. Gonna be the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and stick around and watch some more.
Success, what they'll call it in the end. I got this anger inside of my veins, pumping adrenaline when I feel pain. I don't know why I was born with this, I feel so torn and shit, I can't ignore it, yeah. I wanna punch till my knuckles are bleeding, I want your best so when I win you're defeated.